This video will focus on the 19 easiest remote jobs that you can secure. Some of these positions are quite easy to fill. Many of these positions involve no boss, no interview, and no resume requirements. Additionally, some offer the flexibility of setting your own hours. Most don't mandate a college degree or prior experience. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. First on the list is a remote honeymoon specialist. In this role, you craft unforgettable romantic experiences for newlyweds by collaborating with various vendors and organizing travel arrangements. Essentially, you serve as a specialized travel agent. Specializing further in certain niche areas can enhance your expertise. Success stories often involve individuals narrowing down their specialties to specific regions, such as Tahiti, Fiji, Mexico, Hawaii, and the Caribbean. The salary range for this job is $70,000 to $120,000 annually. Specialization seems to be key, making this opportunity score a 9 out of 10. Next on the list is a remote case reviewer. In this role, you analyze and evaluate various claims or cases from the comfort of your home. Such experts are in demand by healthcare organizations, insurance companies, and legal firms. Essentially, you act as a detective, sifting through information to uncover the truth. Case reviewers typically earn between $42,000 and $71,000 annually. This entry-level position requires attention to detail, organizational skills, and basic computer literacy. Job opportunities will appear on the screen, and overall, this one is relatively easy to get into without the need for a college degree. It earns an opportunity score of 8 out of 10. The next one on the list is a product researcher, responsible for shaping products aligned with consumer desires and market trends. This role is pivotal in various sectors like tech, consumer goods, and marketing firms. Product researchers, who typically work for private companies on platforms like Amazon and Shopify, earn between $73,000 and $124,000 per year. This position requires a keen eye for detail, analytical thinking, and creativity. It's an excellent option for those who enjoy shopping. Job opportunities will appear on the screen, and the opportunity score for this one is a 9 out of 10. Next on the list is a digital experience specialist. This role involves improving and managing the digital interface between a company and its customers. Though programming experience isn't mandatory, having some knowledge helps in communicating effectively with the team. Digital experience specialists earn about $50,000 to $77,000 a year. It's a tech-related job that's relatively easy to get into. Job opportunities will be displayed on the screen, and the opportunity score is 8.5 out of 10. The next one on the list is an event promoter. In this role, you promote events, whether in the real world or online, by coordinating with businesses, customers, and vendors. Event promoters can earn between $37,000 and $67,000 a year, with salaries ranging between $45,000 and $77,000 per year. While not the easiest, it offers opportunities with periods of downtime. The opportunity score for this one is 7 out of 10. Next on the list is a night or weekend blogger, a potential job that could evolve into a full-time business. In this role, individuals turn off hours into a hotspot for content creation, especially during times when significant events unfold. Night or weekend bloggers require writing and SEO skills, focusing on niche topics. The opportunity score for this role is 7.5 out of 10. Next on the list is a remote grant writer, responsible for crafting proposals to secure financial support for ideas, especially in nonprofit settings. Grant writers earn between $50,000 and $78,000 a year, and the role is relatively easy to learn. The opportunity score for this position is 7.5 out of 10. Next on the list is a travel writer, involved in creating content about various travel destinations. Travel writers make approximately $52,000 to $94,000 a year. While it requires good writing skills and a love for travel, it offers an opportunity to explore different places. The opportunity score for this role is 8 out of 10. Next is an email deliverability specialist, crucial for ensuring company emails reach recipients' inboxes. This role, with a salary range of $86,000 to $136,000 a year, doesn't demand a specific degree, making it accessible for self-study and freelance work. The opportunity score is 9 out of 10. Following that is a user experience researcher, responsible for enhancing the user-friendliness of websites and apps. User experience researchers earn between $95,000 and $145,000 annually. While it may be challenging to enter, it offers creative opportunities. The opportunity score for this role is 6 out of 10. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you love the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now, let's get back to the video. Next on the list is a Royalties Coordinator, managing royalty payments in industries like music and entertainment. This role, with an annual income of $42,000 to $61,000 yearly, requires no specific degree and is relatively straightforward. The opportunity score is 7.5 out of 10. Following that is a copyright assistant, overseeing digital copyrights and protecting intellectual property. Copyright assistants make about $41,000 to $65,000 a year, and the role is considered relatively easy and relaxed. The opportunity score for this role is 8 out of 10. Next, there's the personal branding specialist, shaping magnetic brands through thought and digital marketing. The annual income for this role is around $48,000 to $80,000 annually when working for a company. Here is a story of a self-employed lady who was able to earn $297,000 in 18 months working as a personal brand consultant, playing a vital role in brand development. I give this an opportunity score of 9 out of 10. Next on the list is an e-learning developer. It involves a bit of coding, specifically using a technical software called Articulate. This role, similar to instructional design, has become highly lucrative, especially with the shift to online learning during the pandemic. E-learning developers earn about $73,000 to $111 a year. While it's somewhat challenging to enter, the work-life balance and pay are rewarding. The opportunity score for this role is 9 out of 10. Next on the list is a database administrator. There are various roles related to databases, such as administrators, architects, developers, and engineers. Storing and retrieving data efficiently is crucial, making these roles valuable. Database administrators, for instance, earn between $92,000 and $138,000 a year. While it's more challenging to get into, the potential for remote work and high pay makes it attractive. The opportunity score for this role is 8 out of 10. The next one on the list is a data processor. This role involves organizing, transferring, and processing data for organizations, ensuring information accuracy. While there is an ease of entry, the pay is between $34,000 and $54,000 a year. It could serve as a stepping stone into higher-level data jobs. The opportunity score for this role is 8 out of 10. Next on the list is a records coordinator, specializing in the art and science of creating and maintaining an organized work environment through the management of physical and electronic documents. This role is crucial for organization and compliance with government regulations. It's relatively easy to enter, not too demanding, and offers a salary range of $41,000 to $60,000 annually. While it may seem somewhat mundane, it's an accessible and decently paying job, earning an 8.5 out of 10 opportunity score. Check out some opportunities on the screen. Next on the list is a data verification specialist, involved in verifying the accuracy of data, akin to being an editor for a writer. This position offers a salary of $40,000 to $60,000 a year and is relatively easy to get into, requiring no college degree or previous experience. It's also considered a relatively laid-back job, earning an 8 out of 10 opportunity score. Explore job opportunities on the screen. Last on the list is a title specialist, navigating the complex world of property titles, ensuring legal compliance and clarity by collaborating with various stakeholders. This role, indispensable for real estate companies, offers a salary range of $44,000 to $62,000 a year. It's relatively easy to enter, requiring minimal experience and degrees, earning a 7 out of 10 opportunity score. If you loved this Make Money online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video.